Hello student, today we are going to learn an important welding process, slided metal arc welding, SMAW. It is a electric arc welding process. It is also called manual metal arc welding, MMAW. It is a fusion welding process and non-pressure welding. It is slided arc welding because welding rod coated with flux materials. Okay. Now, what is slided metal arc welding, SMAW? In this process, a metal electrode, also called filler rod, is used and the arc is maintained between this metal electrode and the workpiece, which respectively form two terminals. One terminals of power source connected to electrode holder and other terminal connected to workpiece to be welded. Heat is obtained from an arc between the work means base metal and metal electrode. Okay. In slided metal arc welding process, metal electrode with coating is used, which creates a protective gas atmosphere over the weld joint, and also the melting of the coating provides a molten slag. This cover on the weld. This prevents the surface from oxidized. Okay. In slided metal arc welding, no mechanical pressure is applied for joining the metals. Okay. Now, principle of operation, SMAW, slided metal arc welding. This is AC or DC supply, power supply. One terminal, this is work cable attached with work by clamp, or it is attached with work table on which work are placed. Another terminal electrode cable attached with electrode holder hold the electrode. Okay, here electrode coated with flux material. Okay, this is the earthing. This is circuit diagram of SMAW. Okay, now this is the parent metal. This is parent metal to be welded. This is the electrode filler rod. It is coating. Here this is the welded metal. Welding is done in this direction. This is the slack formation. This is the gaseous cover, slided gas. This is arc stream. The deepest portion is called catar. Okay, now power supply is given to metal electrode and the work. A suitable gap is kept between the work and metal electrode. A suitable current is passed through the circuit. An arc is produced around the area to be welded. Next, the temperature produced by the heat about of 2400 degrees centigrade to 2700 degree centigrade. Okay, now metal electrode is melted by the heat of the arc and is fused with the base metal. Okay, next, on solidification of the welding joint is obtained. After solidification, welded joint is obtained. Okay, now application of SMAW, slide metal arc welding. General fabrication and maintenance work, shipbuildings, joining of pipelines and machinery structure. Next, the metals that can be joined by SMAW include cast iron, steel, stainless steel, and certain non-ferrous alloy. Not use copper alloys. Okay. Now, advantages of SMAW process, slided metal arc welding process. The SMAW process is simple and also versatile. Next, it is best suited for welding workpiece, possesses thickness in the range 3 mm to 20 mm. Okay. Next, it is most useful for welding at site in remote area where current is not available, where a portable fuel power generator, maybe petrol engine or diesel engine, can be used as the source of power supply. Okay. Now, what is the limitation, disadvantages of SMAW process, slided metal arc welding process? Low production rate. This is due to change of short length consumable metal electrode. During welding, electrode change many times. Okay. Next, here required considerable skill. Considerable skill labor is required. Okay. It is clear, my student.